Hello kiddos, let's learn shapes. We have different shapes and we will learn shapes with the help of different colors. So we have purple color, dark green color, pink color, dark pink color, black color, yellow color, orange color, blue color, sky blue color, green color, light pink color, brown color and red color. Let's learn. Circle shape, heart shape, star shape, pentagon shape, hexagon shape, triangle, rectangular shape, square shape and octagon shape. Red color, circle shape. Circle has one side. Pink color, heart shape. Yellow color, star shape. Star shape. Sky blue color, pentagon shape. This is a pentagon shape. Pentagon shape has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. Green color, hexagon shape. Now, hexagon shape has how many sides? 6 sides. Now, brown color, triangle shape. Triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Orange color, rectangle shape. Rectangle has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. 2 equal sides and 2 equal sides. Pink color, square shape. Square shape has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal sides. Green color, dark green color. Octagon shape. Octagon shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. So, circle shape, heart shape, star shape, pentagon shape, hexagon shape, triangles, rectangular, square and octagon shape. Bye bye kiddos. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.